This easy crochet pattern for a phone or tablet case can be made in any size. In this tutorial, you will find all the directions you need. You will need 1/4 ounce No. 4 yarn and an eye hook plus everything else you see. We'll proceed by working in a spiral, so there's no turning or slip stitching required at the end of the rounds, but use one of your markers to mark the beginning stitch. Starting at the bottom, with your hook and yarn make a chain long enough to fit across the face of your phone. Mine was a total of 13 chains. Yours may differ. Round 1. Work a single crochet into the second chain from the hook and place a stitch marker to identify it as your starting point. Continue making one single crochet in each chain across until you reach the final
chain.
In that last stitch, work 3 single crochets to round the corner. Then, rotate your work and single crochet evenly along the opposite side of the foundation chain, inserting your hook into the open loops. Work 1 single crochet into each remaining stitch until you reach the stitch where you began. Make 1 more single crochet into that same stitch. Now, count your total stitches. It's essential to have an odd number for this pattern to work correctly. In the beginning stitch, make a single crochet and remark the beginning stitch. Then in the next stitch, make a double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch and single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around to the beginning stitch. In the beginning stitch, make a double crochet. Make a single crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next single crochet, and then make a single crochet in the next double crochet. Repeat this pattern around until the marked stitch. Round 3. In the beginning stitch, make a double crochet. Then make a single crochet in the next stitch. Remove the marker and place it at the bottom just to give you an idea of where you began. And repeat the pattern of making a single crochet in the next double crochet and then make a double crochet in the next single crochet. This is why it was important to have an odd number of stitches. Having an even amount would make it much harder to work this sequence. Continue in the pattern of double crochet in the single crochet and single crochet in the double crochet until the piece is 1/2 inch less than your desired length. When your piece is long enough, 1/2 inch less than the desired length, single crochet in the next stitch and mark it. Continue to single crochet in each stitch around until you reach the marked stitch. Turn the piece over and find the center front stitch and mark it. Single crochet in each stitch until one stitch before the marked stitch. Skip the stitch before the marker. Do not single crochet there. Chain 2, then skip the next 3 stitches. The one you just skipped, the marked stitch, and the stitch after it. Single crochet into the following stitch, and continue single crocheting in each stitch up to the next marked stitch. On this round, single crochet in each stitch until the chain 2 space. Make 3 single crochets in the space, marking the center stitch, and then single crochet in each remaining stitch to the marked stitch. End off leaving a long tail to make an invisible join, or else join as you wish. To make an invisible join, thread the tail into the darning needle. You will skip one full stitch and run your needle under both loops of the next stitch. Now insert your needle back into the loop where you ended off and pull downward. Gently pull the tail until it looks like a stitch. Weave in the end and cut. Now flip the piece over and find the center 4 stitches on the back and mark the 2 end stitches. This is where you will place the pull-through cord. Set the piece aside and grab your yarn and hook to make an I-cord. Make a slip knot and chain 2. Pull up a loop in the second chain from the hook so you have 2 loops on your hook. Pinch under both loops and drop the loop you just pulled through, then pull the working yarn through the loop that is left. Now pick up the dropped loop and pull the yarn through this loop. Repeat, drop the last loop and pull the working yarn through the loop left on the hook. Pick up the dropped loop and pull the yarn through this loop. Repeat, drop the last loop and pull the working yarn through the loop left on the hook. Pick up the drop loop and pull the yarn through this loop. Keep repeating this until the cord is the length you want it. When the tie is as long as you want it, end off leaving a long tail. Sew both ends of the tail to the marked stitches and weave in both ends. I hope you have enjoyed this video and would like to follow me to see more. You can also find more free patterns and greatly reduced pattern bundles, 15 patterns for $10, at www.crochetmethat.com. Thanks for watching. Just slip in your phone and pull the tie through the space.
Enjoy!